Hello everyone, this is Max from Sangalari. We can support you the home appliance A to Z producing line. In last 12 years, we have built 50 producing lines in the world and support over 50 clients to be the quality #1 or quantity #1 in home appliance industry in their countries. Recently, many customers from Bangladesh is come to us for the rice cooker producing line because in Bangladesh, 1 year will need estimated 1 million piece rice cooker. But their imported test of the rice cooker is getting higher from 30% to 50%. They are considering if they can have the producing line, they can save the imported test and after 1 year running, they can have the producing line free. So next I will show you the important part of the rice cooker producing line about the non-stick coating lines. This is our washing line for remove the oil and the dust. So you can see the rice cooker and how to make the colorful, you can see the coating line there. So that's all. If you also looking for the rice cooker producing line, please contact Sangalari, please contact Max.